Have you ever looked into a parrot's eyes and wondered about their thoughts? Parrots are more than just beautiful birds with vibrant colours. They possess remarkable intelligence that continues to fascinate scientists and bird lovers alike. Their ability to mimic sounds is well known, but their problem-solving skills are truly astounding. Parrots are renowned for their cognitive abilities, particularly their problem-solving skills. They exhibit a remarkable capacity to overcome obstacles and achieve desired goals. This intelligence is thought to be linked to their evolutionary history. In the wild, parrots face a variety of challenges, from finding food to avoiding predators. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence for parrot intelligence is their use of tools. In their natural habitats, some parrot species, like the Goffin's cockatoo, have been observed using sticks and pebbles to extract seeds and insects. What's even more impressive is their ability to innovate. Section 4. Testing parrot intelligence, fun with experiments. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of parrot cognition and the innovative methods scientists use to explore it. Scientists have devised ingenious experiments to test the limits of parrot intelligence. These experiments are designed to challenge the birds and reveal their problem-solving abilities. One classic experiment involves presenting a parrot with a treat placed inside a clear box. The bird can see the treat, but must figure out how to access it. The parrot must figure out how to open the box to get the reward. This requires not only dexterity, but also an understanding of cause and effect. These experiments have revealed that parrots can solve complex problems through observation and reasoning. They can use tools, understand sequences, and even learn from watching others. This showcases their remarkable cognitive abilities and highlights the intelligence of these incredible birds. Section 5. Memory, attention, and social learning. Parrots also possess incredible memories. These birds can recall intricate details about their environment and the individuals they encounter. They can remember complex sequences of events and individual humans for years, showcasing their impressive cognitive abilities. Their attention to detail is remarkable, allowing them to learn new sounds and associate them with specific objects or actions. This keen sense of observation helps them adapt to new situations and environments. Moreover, parrots are social learners. They thrive in social settings where they can interact and learn from one another. They observe and mimic the behavior of their flockmates, demonstrating a capacity for cultural transmission of knowledge. This social learning is crucial for their survival, as it allows them to acquire essential skills and behaviors from their peers. Section 6. Avian Einsteins. Comparing parrot intelligence. Comparing intelligence across species is challenging, but parrots consistently rank among the most intelligent animals. Their cognitive abilities rival those of primates, dolphins, and even some young children. Their ability to understand abstract concepts such as numbers, colors, and shapes is particularly impressive. Section 7. Respecting our feathered friends. The remarkable intelligence of parrots should inspire us to treat them with respect and admiration. These birds are not just colorful and entertaining, they possess a level of cognitive function that is truly astounding. These feathered creatures are not just pets, they are thinking, feeling beings capable of complex emotions and problem-solving skills that rival some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. They can learn to mimic human speech, understand commands, and even solve intricate puzzles. By understanding and appreciating their cognitive abilities, we can ensure their well-being and foster a deeper connection with these extraordinary creatures. Providing them with mental stimulation, social interaction, and a nurturing environment is essential for their happiness and health. Let us commit to respecting and cherishing our feathered friends, recognizing their unique place in the animal kingdom.